Good evening. This is Akashvani Kohima. I am Zijinya Mehta with the news. The headlines. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio says NSRLM building self-reliant households across Nagaland. Nagaland GIS Centre held department enter agreement to use drones for medical emergencies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says entire nation working cohesively towards Viksit Bharat. And in Ranji Trophy cricket, Nagaland falls to Baroda by an innings and 6 runs. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio today highlighted the role of the Nagaland State Rural Livelihood Mission in empowering rural livelihoods in the state. In a social media post, he said the mission is supporting self-help groups, promoting sustainable income initiatives, improving access to financial and social security schemes, and building self-reliant households through strong community institutions. Currently, NSRLM operates in 1,260 villages across 76 rural development blocks in all 17 districts. In an effort to improve healthcare services in the state, the Nagaland GIS and Remote Sensing Centre under the Planning and Transformation Department and the Department of Health and Family Welfare have signed a memorandum of agreement to integrate drone technology into the state's healthcare system. The agreement was signed at the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare in Kohima today. The initiative aims to address challenges posed by Nagaland's difficult terrain and limited connectivity by using drones for emergency medical supply delivery, response during disease outbreaks and natural calamities, and geospatial mapping. Under the agreement, the GIS Centre will handle drone operations, training and data analysis, while the Health Department will provide logistical and operational support. The collaboration is expected to enhance healthcare efficiency, strengthen emergency preparedness, and ensure timely delivery of essential medical supplies across Nagaland. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the entire nation is working cohesively towards the aim of Viksit Bharat and that cities have big role to play in the effort. Addressing an event in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, he said central government has been investing a lot on urban infrastructure since the last 11 years.
केरला के विकास के लिए केंद्र सरकार के प्रयासों को नई गति मिली है। आज से केरला में रेल कनेक्टिविटी और सशक्त हुई है। तिरुवनंतपुरम को देश का बड़ा स्टार्टअप हब बनाने के लिए पहल हुई है। आज पीएम स्वनिधि क्रेडिट कार्ड लॉन्च किया गया है। इससे देश भर के रेहड़ी, ठेले, फुटपाथ पर काम करने वाले साथियों को लाभ होगा।
Mr. Modi added that the central government is making tremendous efforts to provide banking services to the grassroots level, enabling easy access to bank loans. On the occasion, the Prime Minister launched various developmental projects, flagged off new train services, and laid the foundation stone for a CSIR and IIST innovation, technology and entrepreneurship hub, and a state-of-the-art radiosurgery center. Union Electronics and Information Technology Minister Akashvani said that India is expected to launch its own mobile brands in the next 18 months. Mr. Vaishnaw informed this while speaking on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum in Davos, noting that India has a very substantial electronics ecosystem. He informed that during the World Economic Forum, India held significant meetings with the entire ecosystem, which produces the thousands of things that are required to go into a mobile phone.
We have a very substantial electronics ecosystem in our country. This is the time when we will be going for getting our own Indian brands in mobile phone. Today and yesterday we had significant meetings with the entire ecosystem which produces the thousands of things that are required to go into a mobile phone, and very soon, maybe another 1 year from now or maybe max 18 months from now, we should have our own Indian brands coming out.
The newly appointed chairman of the Nagaland Public Service Commission, A. Pihoto Chopi, along with members Kenilo Apon, Atel O. Lotha, and S. Temsawati Ang, were sworn in today. The oath of secrecy was administered by Chief Secretary Sentiyanger Imchen at the Nagaland Civil Secretariat in Kohima. The oath-taking ceremony was attended by senior government officials and PSC officers, staff, and family members. This is Akashvani Kohima giving you the news. For quick news update, follow us on our X handles AIR News Alerts and AIR_Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News on Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Welcome back. You are listening to the evening news. The chairman of the Ceasefire Monitoring Group and Ceasefire Supervisory Board, CFSB, has directed the NSCNK Congo Group to hand over to police 7 cadres linked to the abduction and assault case of local businessman Kieto Jimomi, head GB of Vikuho village. In an order issued yesterday, the chairman said the case has been registered at Dipupar Police Station, Chumugidima, and preliminary inquiry has identified the accused, including 4 special ceasefire identity card holders. The order noted that ceasefire identity cards of the 4 cadres have been cancelled with immediate effect. It said that the accused are suspected to be taking shelter at the CFSB office in Tilika and instructed any of the accused outside the premises and evading arrest to present themselves before the police. The order said other individuals named in media reports are also subject to investigation. Team Nagaland shone at the India Skills Regional Competition Northeast 2025-26, which concluded yesterday at Guwahati University, Assam. Imtisangla Kangsho won the silver medal in restaurant service, Vimeneno Pira took bronze in fashion technology, and Tonikale Yaptho earned a medal of excellence in fashion technology. Prime Minister's flagship platform for proactive governance and timely implementation, Pragati, has marked a significant milestone with the successful conduct of its 50th meeting. Since its launch by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015, Pragati has transformed governance by enabling real-time monitoring and resolution of key infrastructure projects and public grievances through direct prime ministerial review. Over a decade, Pragati has helped accelerate decision-making, resolution of issues causing delay in key infrastructure projects, and instilled a strong culture of accountability. Today, in this special series, we take a look at the Ahmedabad Metro Rail Project. A report.
The Ahmedabad Metro Rail Project Phase 1 represents a transformative leap in sustainable urban mobility for Gujarat's largest metropolitan region. Implemented under the aegis of Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry, the project spans 40.03 kilometers with a total approved cost of 12,924.5 crore rupees. The project was first reviewed under the Pragati mechanism on 25th April 2018, when it was at an early stage of execution with around 25% physical progress. Through clear directions and sustained monitoring by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, interagency coordination was strengthened, enabling focused action on land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement, utility shifting and external funding arrangements. By the Pragati review on 23rd December 2020, physical progress had reached approximately 62%. Following this, Gujarat government accelerated land handover and resettlement activities, with continued execution supported by Pragati level oversight. Most of Phase 1, including the blue and red lines, was inaugurated by the Prime Minister on 30th September 2022 and opened for public service in early October 2022. The remaining sections were completed, resulting in the entire Ahmedabad Metro Phase 1 network becoming fully operational. Today, the entire Ahmedabad Metro Phase 1 network is fully operational, delivering clean, safe and efficient mobility across the city. Karhar, Akashvani News, Kohima.
In commemoration of the 77th Republic Day on 26 January, the Governor of Nagaland has granted remission to 36 convicted prisoners in jails across the state. The remission has been granted to 13 prisoners in Central Jail Dimapur, 7 in District Jail Mon, 5 in District Jail Tungsang, 4 in District Jail Longland, 3 in District Jail Wokha, 2 in District Jail Pak, and 1 each in District Jails of Kohima and Mokokchung. The order will take effect on 26 January. And in cricket, Nagaland went down to Baroda in their Ranji Trophy elite match today. In their first innings, Nagaland scored 206 while Baroda responded with 353. In their second innings, Nagaland managed 141, handing Baroda the victory by an innings and 6 runs. And to wrap up the news, here are the headlines once again. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio says NSRLM building self-reliant households across Nagaland. Nagaland GIS Centre held department enter agreement to use drones for medical emergencies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says entire nation working cohesively towards Viksit Bharat. And in Ranji Trophy cricket, Nagaland folds to Baroda by an innings and 6 runs. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. We will be back with the morning English news at 7:30 tomorrow. Have a pleasant night.
News.